Karima Munsia has been in business for 22 years. She started with the pepper shrimp and she has come a very long way since then.
Our products are enjoyed by the entire family, from the on-the-go busy individual to the children who love our pepper shrimp, juice mixes and beverages. We create products that makes the cooking experience more efficient and flavorful.
Customers wanted more products from Home Choice, so we decided to manufacture different types of products to meet the customers' needs. Home Choice is a family company, and looking at bringing on a partner is always a big decision to make.
When we initially met the team, there are a number of positives. First of all, we saw values fit, what they stood for in the community, and the same things that the VM group is striving to achieve in terms of transform the life of ordinary Jamaican.
We chose to work with VM Investments Limited because Home Choice is now at a stage where we need explosive growth. VMIL had that team that could bring us to the next level.
We saw a very experienced team in terms of understanding the business and had a clear vision about the future of their business.
We believe in bringing the taste of home to the overseas market, not just Jamaicans overseas, but everyone, everywhere.
We're looking to grow our export sales to 100% of what we're currently doing.
The transaction that we executed with Home Choice was an equity injection. So we are providing equity capital to be used by the company to accelerate their growth in the local market and also in the international market.
We are very happy in welcoming VMIL as an equity shareholder in Home Choice. This means that we are ready to partner with who we believe can take Home Choice to the next stage in business.
SMEs can get access to capital. My call to action for all SMEs, do engage us. We can come in and get a better understanding of your business needs, what capital you need to grow the business, and we are ready and able and eager to provide the equity capital to be used to grow your business.